All right, what's up, my mathletes? That's right, man. Big day today, right? We got that 7-1 to 7-4 assessment coming at you. So here's what you're going to do for it, right? Of course, you are going to have your heading all set up already. And if you didn't get that set up, then make sure you go back to the agenda for the week and get your paper set up accordingly because you need to do that. Now, you're going to go ahead, log into Schoology, and you'll go down to the assessments folder. All right, and you'll see a 7-1 to 7-4 assessment folder in there, and you'll notice there'll be two things in there. This part right here, the 7-1 to 7-4 assessment, that will have the questions that are in there for you. You got 50 minutes to do it. So when that 50 minutes is up, then you will take a picture of your work, and then this other link below where it says upload work for 7-1 to 7-4 assessment, that's where you will put your work. All right, so your work gets uploaded to that space. Now, for my A-Push students, and I know a couple people are doing AP French. All right, Clement's doing that. So if those of you guys, I know you'll be working on the review, and some other people will be working on the review in class. And, just make sure that you get your quiz finished by Friday. Now, what do you do when you're done with the quiz? I'm so glad you asked, because yes, we do have something to do. Now, just like we kind of reviewed in class and played with it in class, there's a whole bunch of ways to get 90, right? So we could start with 60 and 30. So I want to find values on the unit circle, right, that can add up to give me 90. And here's two of them. I can do 60 plus 30, or maybe 45 plus 45. But I could also use some subtracting, right? We could do 120 minus 30, 180 minus 90, 210 minus 120. There's so many other ones. 315, 225. Their difference would also give me 90. Now, I couldn't use something like this. I couldn't say, oh, well, let me use like 40 plus 50 because that's not on the unit circle. All right, 70 plus 20. There are no angles on the unit circle that are 70 or 20. So your homework, right, is going to be, you've got this number right here, 75. So you got to find ways of using values, the degree values, that will have a sum or difference of 75, because we're going to use this next class. So that is what you have to do for that. Come up with as many different ways as you can using one revolution around the unit circle. Because next week, we're going to start sum and difference formulas. All right, and that's what we're going to be using, because the angles that we've already used on the unit circle, we can do sine, cos, tan, and all the things, all the trig functions. But with 75, in order to find the exact value, we've got some formulas to help us out with that, bro. So that is what you'll need to know, is what two angles will add or subtract to give us a 75. So then we can find sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, and cotangent of that. But we're gonna focus with sine, cosine, and tangent, just those three. So that's coming at you next week. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck on your test, man. Crush it, be relentless, and make sure you have the unit circle next to you, because you're gonna need that. All right, peace out, and I'll catch up with you guys later.